Whether you aspire to become a millionaire or are just looking to improve your marketing skills, this video is for you. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Selling to the right market. One crucial lesson I've learned is the importance of choosing the right market. Initially, sell to the affluent. Wealthy customers are willing to pay for premium solutions, allowing you to provide exceptional value and still make a profit. Take Tesla, for instance. They started with high-end vehicles and gradually introduced more affordable models. This strategy allowed them to build a strong brand and customer base before scaling. When Elon Musk launched Tesla, he didn't start with the affordable Model 3. He began with the Roadster, a high-performance sports car priced at $250,000. This approach targeted wealthy customers who could afford the high price tag, providing Tesla with the necessary capital and credibility. Next, they introduced the Model S and Model X, which, although cheaper than the Roadster, were still luxury vehicles. Only after establishing a strong presence in the luxury market did Tesla release the Model 3, aimed at a broader audience. This strategic move helped Tesla optimize their manufacturing process and build a loyal customer base among affluent buyers before moving down market. Amazon and Walmart, on the other hand, built their empires on efficiency and volume from day one. Selling to a mass market requires immense infrastructure and razor-thin margins. It's much harder to start this way unless you have significant capital. Jeff Bezos started Amazon with a vision of becoming the world's largest online retailer. He focused on offering the best selection and the lowest prices. This strategy demanded massive investments in logistics and technology to handle the volume of transactions efficiently. Similarly, Walmart's everyday low prices strategy necessitated a culture of extreme cost-cutting and operational efficiency from the beginning. They implemented a highly efficient supply chain and inventory management system that allowed them to maintain low prices and high volumes. The key takeaway here is to understand who your initial customers are. Affluent customers have the resources to pay for high-value solutions, and they can provide the revenue needed to perfect your product and business model. Once you have a strong foundation and the necessary capital, you can consider expanding to a broader market. Solving problems for affluent customers also allows you to charge higher prices, which can significantly enhance your profitability and sustainability. For example, luxury brands like Rolex or Louis Vuitton build their entire business model around serving high net worth individuals, ensuring high margins and brand prestige. Prioritizing your goals. Often, the real issue isn't a lack of information, but a lack of focus. A common pitfall is spreading yourself too thin across multiple ventures. Focus on one primary goal, one clear customer, and allocate your resources accordingly. I once advised an entrepreneur to drop 22 minor ventures to focus on one major one, which led to exponential growth. This entrepreneur had 21 companies, each generating a small amount of revenue. When I asked him which one had the most potential, he identified one that could easily scale if given the proper attention. We discussed the impact of shutting down the other ventures and channeling all his energy and resources into that one company. A year later, he reported back with incredible success, having multiplied his revenue several times over. The lesson here is that strategy is about prioritization. You have limited resources, time, money, people. How you choose to allocate these resources against the unlimited options available defines your strategy. Having one clear goal and a focused target market makes it much easier to prioritize and make decisions that drive significant growth. This is why many successful entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs with Apple often emphasize the importance of saying no to good ideas to focus on truly great ones. By concentrating on a single goal, you can harness all your resources effectively and make substantial progress. The power of talent. Your team is pivotal. The best talent you haven't hired yet will make the biggest difference. When hiring, aim to raise the average bar of your team. Always seek to hire people who are smarter and more experienced than you. This approach accelerates growth and innovation. Consider a time when I was looking to sell one of my companies. We engaged with several investment bankers and eventually chose one to represent us. During meetings with potential buyers, I was struck by the difference in talent between my team and theirs. Their team consisted of individuals who were clearly more experienced and specialized. This experience underscored the importance of hiring top-tier talent. It wasn't that my team was bad, we had built a successful business, but the difference in average talent level was stark. Steve Jobs famously said, "It doesn't make sense to hire smart people and then tell them what to do. We hire smart people so they can tell us what to do." This philosophy is crucial in building a successful business. You want to surround yourself with people who challenge you, bring new ideas, and elevate the entire team. When Google was in its early stages, they hired top talent from the best universities and companies, which helped them innovate and grow rapidly. The key is to create an environment where talented individuals can thrive and contribute their best ideas. Better, not just bigger growth, for growth's sake can be detrimental. Focus on being better. Improve your product and customer experience continuously. Chick-fil-A, for example, prioritized quality over rapid expansion, and today they are a market leader. Strive to offer an order of magnitude better solutions than your competitors. Truett Cathy, the founder of Chick-fil-A, believed in growing by being better, not just bigger. Chick-fil-A grew slowly, opening one store at a time and focusing on providing exceptional customer service and high-quality food. In contrast, Boston Market expanded rapidly, opening numerous stores quickly. While Boston Market initially grew faster, they eventually faltered due to overexpansion and diluted quality. Today, Chick-fil-A is a dominant player in the fast food industry, known for its loyal customer base and consistent quality. Elon Musk applies a similar principle at Tesla. He entered the electric vehicle market with the goal of making cars that were not just better for the environment, but also superior in performance, safety, and design. The Model S, for example, became the highest-rated car by Consumer Reports because it was significantly better than existing vehicles. By focusing on quality and innovation, Tesla has been able to command higher prices and build a strong brand reputation. This approach also applies to software companies like Slack, which initially focused on creating an exceptional user experience and then gradually expanded its features and user base. Effective time management. Time management is crucial. Protect the first few hours of your day for high-leverage activities. This uninterrupted time is when you'll make the most significant strides. It's okay to let minor fires burn to focus on what truly moves the needle. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. to work on the most critical tasks before the day began. These early hours, free from interruptions, allowed me to tackle high-priority projects. As my business grew and I could delegate more, I adjusted my schedule but kept the principle of dedicating the first part of the day to deep work. For example, if a major strategic initiative needed my attention, I would block out the morning to focus on it, knowing that this time was crucial for making meaningful progress. This concept is echoed by many successful entrepreneurs. For instance, Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, is known for starting his day at 4:30 a.m. to address critical emails and set the tone for the day. Similarly, Jack Dorsey, co-founder of Twitter, dedicates his mornings to meditation and exercise, ensuring he is in the right mindset to tackle the day's challenges. The idea is to prioritize your most important tasks when your energy and focus are at their peak. This approach not only boosts productivity, but also ensures that you make significant progress on the projects that matter most. Building a strong brand. Building a brand takes time, but it's incredibly valuable. Your brand allows you to charge premium prices and maintain customer loyalty. Focus on delivering on your promises consistently. The stronger your brand, the less you'll need to spend on advertising in the long run. Branding is about creating a strong association between your business and positive attributes that resonate with your target audience. This association is built over time through consistent delivery on your promises. For instance, Nike has built a powerful brand by associating their products with top athletes and high performance. This allows them to charge premium prices and maintain a loyal customer base. I've seen firsthand how a strong brand can create a competitive moat. When customers have a great experience with your product, they become repeat buyers and advocates. For example, Apple's brand loyalty is so strong that many customers won't even consider switching to another brand, despite potentially better features or prices elsewhere. They trust Apple to deliver a seamless and superior experience every time. To build a strong brand, start by clearly defining your brand values and ensuring they are reflected in every aspect of your business. This includes your product quality, customer service, marketing messages, and even the way you handle customer complaints. Over time, these consistent actions will build a positive perception of your brand in the minds of your customers, making them more likely to choose your products over competitors. Additionally, leveraging social proof, such as customer testimonials and reviews, can reinforce your brand's credibility and trustworthiness. Now, I want to hear from you. What challenges are you facing in your business journey? Comment below and let's discuss. Also, if you found these insights valuable, imagine what you could learn in our private Top 1% Club. The most exclusive content is reserved for members of the Top 1% Club. This content is not available anywhere online and is curated specifically for those who seek the best. If you are interested and ready for more, we warmly invite you to join us. Find the link to our private club in the video description and pinned in the first comment. Access is limited and won't be available forever. Remember, focus on selling to the right market, prioritize your goals, hire the best talent, strive to be better rather than just bigger, manage your time effectively, and build a strong brand. These principles will set you on the path to success. By implementing these strategies, you can save yourself years of trial and error and accelerate your journey to achieving your business goals.